In this video, you'll learn how to add an Instagram feed to your WordPress website. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate your Instagram content directly onto your site, enhancing its visual appeal and engagement. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, look for the option labeled Sites on the main menu. Click on this option to proceed. This action will direct you to a page displaying all the sites associated with your account. After the sites page loads, select the specific site you want to work with. You will recognize your sites by their titles and thumbnails. Clicking on the desired site will take you to its dashboard, where you can make further adjustments. Next, locate and click on the close button, which is typically found on the top right corner of the screen. This will minimize the current view and allow you to access the editing options more easily. Ensure that the site editor interface is now visible. Once the editor is open, look for the plus icon, usually positioned at the top of the editor. Clicking this icon will open a menu that presents various options for adding new elements to your site. This is where you can begin to search for the Instagram integration. After the menu appears, click on the search field. Here, you will type in the word Instagram. This action will filter the options and display the Instagram integration feature. When the search results appear, click on the option labeled Instagram. This selection will allow you to add the Instagram feed to your site. The interface may refresh to show you specific settings related to the Instagram feed. Next, click on the button that says Connect Instagram. This will initiate the connection process between your WordPress site and your Instagram account. You may see a prompt requesting permission to access your Instagram data. You will then be directed to log in to your Instagram account, enter your username and password, and follow any additional prompts to verify your identity. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be returned to the WordPress interface. Finally, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully added your Instagram feed to your WordPress website. You can now preview how it looks on your site and make any necessary adjustments to its appearance or layout. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.